I didn't even check my hair.
Man, you ain't got none.
Oh,
You should be alright.
Okay, I'm good.
Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome back to CNR Reviews. I'm Coltrane.
E-Rock.
Today we're going to review some of my knives. These are small compared to some of the ones I have.
So this is United Cutlery Marine Recon, Force Recon. If you look that up on Amazon, we got it on Amazon for 27 or I think it was 28 bucks. You know, it comes with the sheath and the knife, obviously. So really, really well made, and we'll have a link in the description. Well, let's talk about both of them. This one is an SOG. SOG, if you're not familiar, stands for Special Operations Group. It's been around for a very long time. It's a real unit in the military. And it's kind of like they do all like the Black Ops stuff. So the sheath on this is really good. It does have a plastic insert on the inside so that when you put your knife in and out, it doesn't cut the seam or the material. The belt loop, strap it on your belt.
I ain't strapping that long ass thing on my belt.
You going to strap it on its own?
Freaking thigh.
What are you gonna do? Carry it?
No, you strap it on your damn chest rig.
Oh, okay. Well, you just
right here. You just pull it out.
You could do that too,
and then stick it up in your face like this.
This really sturdy handle is real hard rubber, but it's grippy as well. It has all the markings of the United States Marine Corps Force Recon. In fact, it even has the Force Recon symbol here. It's that shiny emblem built into the handle. The serrated part at the top is really sharp, these points. Obviously you can see that is serrated, this serrated part that's really sharp as well. Really, really good knife. So this is definitely like a survival type of knife you can use in the woods, chopping limbs, things like that. I love this thing. It feels great. Good balance. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. You just drop it right in like that.
That's how you put it in. Alright, so this is a kukri style machete. This sheath is actually pretty durable.
It is.
It's got your metal rivets in it. Open it or take it out. You gotta unsnap it. Okay. You gotta un-velcro it.
Okay.
And you gotta unzip it. So you got a pretty good handle. It's pretty hard rubber there.
It's pretty big too.
Yeah, it's nice. Here, this one fits my big gorilla handle.
Let's see the difference. Yeah, that's a lot bigger. When you actually really see that whole thing at the end.
Little blunt force butt there.
Blunt force trauma.
Blunt force trauma.
It's got teeth on it.
It does have teeth, and they're actually kind of sharp.
Right.
So I don't know. This blade, as you can see, is pretty massive.
Yeah, it is.
And it's kukri style. So kukri style is smaller at the bottom here towards the handle, and then it gets fatter toward the top, and it has a curve to it.
Looks cool.
These teeth on the back are ridiculous.
Those are crazy.
And
well, they're staggered.
They're staggered, yeah. Jesus. And this is really what you're going to use for killing people. I mean, going through the woods, you're going to be chopping down limbs. Hell, you might even be able to chop down a tree with this thing.
I know, right? Seriously. That thing is sharp too.
You got a big limb in your way, you hack it a couple times with this thing, it's coming off.
Yeah,
it's ridiculously sharp.
Now, you got this on Amazon?
I did. This was around $30.
About the same. Okay.
So for something like this, it's not super expensive.
Right.
These are huge.
But getting it back in there is a little tricky. Make sure you don't cut yourself or something.
Yeah, just do it. Do that Velcro out of the way and put your point in.
And you have to twist it,
You
right?
kind of have to. No, not really. You just slide it.
Good knives. Recommend them. We have links in the description. Thanks for watching, guys.
Appreciate
See you
you.
next time.